Hello, this is Mr. Agbamu Idonogrene. I'm here to continue my video of quick typing of equations and diagrams in using your Microsoft Word. Okay, let's go straight. As I said in my previous video, you make sure your FFX is on this side of your Microsoft Word. Just click on it. Then I have my drawing, FX draw, and my FX equation. Let me just show you some symbols, how to impute symbols quickly in FX. Then just click on that FX equation. For example, you want to put in like maybe alpha, beta, gamma, you know our mathematics symbols, lambda and the rest. You don't need to start looking for the symbols. Just type your AL. You can see as you type AL alpha, it will appear. Well, actually symbols, if you want to learn the code for symbols, you can see them here. You see this place, lowercase Greek letter. Just click on this. You can see the Greek letter. You see your pi, use pi for pi, then theta use th, alpha use al, then beta be. You can learn all these symbols here so that you don't waste your time looking for a symbol in your Microsoft. Anyone you need, just come type the first two alphabet of the symbol, you will get it out. Then for uppercase, so this for uppercase, you can see if you see your sigma symbol and the rest, your omega for resistance in electricity, you can see them just like that. So let's say I need, for example, alpha square, just say al2. You can see alpha square plus beta be2. See, alpha square plus beta square, you see, is equals to, let's say you are solving, open your bracket, close bracket, which is al plus be, you see, then press 2, you see, alpha plus beta all square, you see, then minus 2 al be. See the way I typed it easily without stress. And click here, you go to your Microsoft. So if you are typing exam questions or you are preparing your lesson note and you need this symbol, you are solving problem, alpha square plus beta square equals to alpha plus beta all bracket square minus 2 alpha beta. You see the way I did it easily without wasting time, instead of you going through the long journey of inserting, look for symbols, looking for alpha and the rest. There's no time to do all that. So take note of this. Okay, let's move on. Let me just show you one or two symbols again, then I'll show you how to impute diagram. So equation, okay, if I take OM, see omega has appeared, the small letter W for omega. But if you use capital letter, if I use capital letter, sorry, OM, you see the symbol for resistor appears. So that is one beauty about it. See OM for the small letter and just like that. Then theta, TH, see. Let's say you are typing trigonometric identities or trigonometric ratio. Let's say for example I say sine, if I say sine 2, you see sine square has come out. If I say sine square TH, you see sine square theta, you can see easy plus cos, you see cos 2, you see cos square has come out, cos square, they just say th, cos square theta equals to 1. See, very easy and straightforward. You can delete the other ones you don't want. Just like that. If for example if I say sine, I want to type sine 2 theta, see sine 2 theta is coming out as sine square theta. That means I need to give space here. Just give a space. That is all. You have your sine 2 theta. But if you push it close to the sine, it will come out as square. Give space 2 theta, just like that. It's a very nice way of typing your equation, your symbols very fast in mathematics. So just like that. Then if I say SI, see your sigma symbol, small letter. But if I want the capital letter sigma, I'll use capital SI. See, like summation fx. Okay, I'm still using capital. For example, let's say I'm calculating mean. I can just say mean. See mean equals to, see, you can see that the SI did not give me what I want because they are together, so I need to give space. See, as I gave this space here, you can see that the symbol has appeared here, but when they were together, it didn't give me the symbol I need. So mean is equals to, you see, summation SI, summation symbol, then you put your fx, see. Then if I want to divide, open your bracket, close your bracket, divided by the SI again, use the capital SI, then small letter f. Sorry. Okay. So this is your mean. Then let's say I want to use X bar. I don't want to use this symbol for mean. I want to use X bar. Just press your X, then shift and minus. See, which is underscore. Press your X, shift and minus. You can see the way it came at X bar. Just like that. Very interesting software. Then tap here. You come to your Microsoft. Just like that. Continue your typing wherever you want to put it in your work. Now depend on you. Just like that. Let me still show you one or two before I put some diagrams, and that is all for this video. Alright, let's take let me see which symbol will I demonstrate now. Okay, let me demonstrate the sigma. Now if I say SIGMA, you see nothing appears here, but if I open my bracket, you see the symbol for sigma has appeared, just like that, very fast. But by typing it, it didn't come out, but I just open my bracket. Then put your x equals to, let's say x equals to 1. I want my x to start from 1. Then put comma. Later I type comma, you want to put the 1 on top here. You can say maybe 3. You see, it's now on top. Then close the bracket. Then type whatever you want, the equation you want, maybe x squared, maybe minus 5. That is it. Continue your work. Very easy and direct. If you want to do, let's say, integration, just say int. Integration has come out easily for you. Then make sure you open your bracket. Maybe you want to put the definite integral, upper or lower limit. Just put your a, but let me use number, say 1. See, make sure you put comma, let's say 3. See, lower and upper 3, you see, then close the bracket. Then type whatever you want to integrate, maybe x raised to power 3, then dx. Just type dx, simple. You can see the way I'm doing it without stress, instead of going to symbol mode and the rest. So that is this. So many symbols, you can see they are all here. Is it lim? Okay, let me put a limit so that you can see how to get your limit. Okay, let's go to a new line. If I say lim, see the same thing. Open your bracket, limit of what? X. You can see x approaches, let's say x approaches 0. Just put your minus, then greater than. You can see it, minus then greater than. See the output. Then let's say approaches 2. Then make sure you close the bracket. Then continue whatever you want to find the limit of, maybe x. Let's open bracket, for example. Let's say x plus 3. Close your bracket and divided by, maybe just say 4 minus, okay, let's use plus, let's say 4 plus x. See, because I didn't put the 4 plus x in bracket, that's why this s came here. But I want it to be in denominator. Then you cover the bracket, and that is all. You can see your limit function has appeared the way you want it. Then tap here, it will appear in your work. You can see it, very fast and quick. So many symbols, you can show them in your work. So take note of this. Okay, let me just demonstrate some symbols, then that is all for this video. Okay, if it's diagrams you need, you use this one, FX Draw. Just tap on it, take you to the FX Draw page. So this one is very beautiful. You can see so many symbols you need, and so many diagrams. You see circle, 3-point compass, just like that. For line, you can see so many. There are so many things you can learn here. So depending on the diagram you want to draw, you see your shapes, rhombus, different parallelograms, trapezium, and the rest. Then this is for point and equation, to type your equation. You know, as you are drawing, you may want to type. So depending on what you want, just like that. Then this is for point, to mark a point, just like that. Okay, let me just do something. Then there are some functions you may want to bring out, where you can get your Venn diagram, 2 or 3 set Venn, number line, just like that. Statistics graph, so many things. Pascal triangles, just like that. So if it's Pascal triangle you want, just click on it, click and drag to come out the way you want it. Then I don't want this stripe line to show, so click on this. I want plain, and the color coming out is dark. I want white. So this is your Pascal triangle. Then you can do some settings. There are so many things you can actually do. You can do some settings. Start at row 0, end at row 5. See, anyway, if I say okay, end at row 10. If you want it to appear in combination mode, you can put it okay. See, it's now too clumsy because there are too many. Let me reduce this to, let's say, 4. See, this is the combination mode, which is to get the coefficient. Just depend on what you want. Okay, let me leave it in number. Just like, let me put it in terms of x and y. You can see it. It's okay. See it in terms of x and y, just like that. You can use it to teach your children. If you want to take it to your Microsoft Word, just click here. It will go there fast for you. Then continue your work. See, to come here, your work continues. Move with your work without problem, without stress. Teach your children. Prepare your notes, prepare all your headings, and put your diagrams very fast. Your lesson continues. You don't have any problem. Okay, let me just show you other. There are so many things you can do here. You can just come and learn yourself. See, let's do maybe some circle geometry question. Let me get circle and radius. Just click. See, I want to mark the center. See, mark point. I want to mark the center. So click and drag. See, it gave me point A. You know, you always start with A. Then click on it. You can set it. I want this center to be called O. So O, you can do other setting here, the size, the kind of point you want, just like that. Then okay, so that is it. Then let's just demonstrate something. Okay, let's get a line. Let me see, from the center, click to here. So click to here. Then from this point, click. See the way I'm doing it quickly without delaying. Then you can label the point. Okay, let me label this point. Okay, let me start from here. Just click and drag. See, just click and drag. Just click and drag. That is it. Okay. Alright. So center O. See the way I'm moving it. Center O. Then point PQR on the circle. If you want to measure this angle at center, you know we say angle at center is 2 times the one at the circumference. You can mark it and check. Let's go to angle. So let's mark the angle. Angle at center is 100, so this one should give me 50. You can see it's simple and direct. Use it to teach your children, demonstrate for them. You can set it. Just click, see symbol for setting. Whatever you want to do setting on here, just click on it. If it's this if it's this center O I want to set, click on it, click on your setting symbol, or you can see I move it just like that. If you want to, okay, I want to do setting on this, maybe I don't want 50 to show here, I want to give my children classwork. I just click on it, click on my setting, you see all the kind of ways you want your form to, but I want my angle there to be X, I don't want 50 to be there. Just click on this place and that is all. Then you can do other setting you want, angles and the colors and the rest, the text. But see, this is one I want, so I've clicked on this, just say okay. So X will now be there. So you can tell your children to find X if angular center is 100. So depend on you. You can do any, you can change it to Y just like that. Then go to your Microsoft, click here and you are okay. It's there. So position it where you want. You can click and drag it just like that. If you don't want this one again, let's say I don't want this Pascal triangle, just click on it, then click on edit. So you can do some editing. I don't want this one, just delete it. You can delete it, just click on it and click your delete. That's all. So there are so many things you can actually do. The triangle, is it construction? Even in construction, if you want to do construction, use this compass. We have a compass here. Don't use this one. This one you use for construction. Where is it now? Use this one. Just like that. You set your radius. Let me just do a simple construction for us. Get your line. Let me label the line, the point, sorry, which is A, B. Click and drag. Then okay, let's bisect AB. I can actually see the measurement of AB if I want. If you click, you can see the measurement. AB is 8.5. You can see the mark is showing. As I put my mouse there, it's showing 8.5. See, as you click on it, then if you right click, let me right click it. See, I can add my annotations. So if I click on add annotations, you see them. The parameters of the lines appear, the length, the angle is 0, and other things. Let me delete this one, I don't want this. So if I want to bisect, it's very simple. Just get your compass. Let me change the radius. Let me use radius. Since the line is 8.5, let me say radius 5. We are working in centimeter, and that is all. Just click on this point. Click. You see your arc is moving. Then you can make an arc here. Click again. Make an arc here. Then click here. Cross. Click here. Anywhere you want your arc to be, cross. That's all. Then connect with your line from here. Sorry, I need to undo this. I need my line to come from this point down to this point. You can see you have bisected it. It's a good demonstration even for class. Just like that. Then take it to your Microsoft Word. I've done it. Perfect. Position other diagrams where you want them to be. So this is the field demonstration I have for us. So that is all for now. Have a nice day.